Welcome to Learn English podcast.
Why shadowing is the best way to improve your English. Hello, everyone. Whether you're just starting to learn English or you're looking to improve your speaking skills, you've come to the right place. Before we start this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel to get daily videos, and I don't want you to miss any of our lessons today. We have a very interesting and funny story to help you improve your English. If you want to practice your listening, you are in the right place. And if you want to speak English more naturally, you can also practice something called shadowing. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing is a simple and powerful way to improve your English speaking. Here's how it works. You listen to me, and then you repeat what I say, just like you are my shadow. You try to match my voice, pronunciation, and rhythm. In this video, I will speak slowly and clearly. After each sentence, I will pause, so you can repeat after me. First, listen carefully. Then say the sentence out loud, just like me. You can pause the video anytime to practice more, and you can watch the video again and again. This really helps you get better. You will also see all the text on the screen. This way, you can read and follow along as I speak. It will help you understand better and learn new words too. Now, let me tell you a little about today's story. It's about a girl named Elena. She sees a charge on her credit card, and she thinks someone stole from her. She quickly calls the bank to report a fraud, but later she finds something that changes everything. What does she find? What really happened? Was it a mistake or something else? This story is short, easy to follow, and it's perfect for practicing. Real life English. So, are you ready to learn with me today? Let's get started. My name is Elena. Today is Tuesday. I wake up, I drink some coffee, and I check my bank app. Wait, what is this? There's a charge on my credit card. It says $4,575 at a place called Sunny Home. What is that? I don't remember this place. My heart starts racing in my mind. Did someone use my card? Did someone steal my money? I look again. Yes, it's real. The money is gone. I open my wallet. My card is there. So how is this possible? I feel nervous now. Should I call the bank? Should I wait? Maybe it's a mistake. Maybe the bank made a problem. But wait, what if it's not a mistake? What if someone is using my card? Right now, I can't wait. I call the bank. Hello, I say. There's a charge. I don't know. I think someone is using my card. The woman at the bank speaks kindly. Okay, May single quotes him. We will help you. Don't worry. She asked me some questions. When did you see the charge? Do you have your card with you? Did you give your number to anyone? I answer everything. I say, no. She says, we will block your card. You will get a new one in 7 days. What? 7 days without a card? How will I buy food? How will I pay for gas? She says, we'll also open a case. If we find it's fraud, you will get your money back. That sounds good. But I feel strange. What if this is a big problem? What if the person who stole from me is still watching me? I close the call. I feel strange. This day is not normal. Something is wrong. But then I think again. Wait, why does the name Sunny? Home sound familiar? I don't know yet, but I'm going to find out. And I hope it's not what I think it is. I try to forget about the charge, but I can't. I keep thinking about it. Sunny home dot sunny home. What is that place? I check my emails. Nothing dot no receipt. No confirmation. Nothing with that name. I check my text messages. Still nothing. This is serious. I start to feel afraid. What if someone hacked my card online? I call my friend Sophia. Hey, have you ever heard of a store called Sunny Home? She says no. Why? I tell her everything. She says . Maybe it's a scam. Then she says something that surprises me. Elena, are you sure that you didn't buy something and forget? What? Forget a purchase? No way. I always remember what I buy, but now I feel confused. Could I forget something? No, that's impossible. Right? I open my bag. I search inside just in case. I see my notebook, my pen, my lip balm, and then wait. What is this? A small paper bag. It has no name on it, just a receipt inside. I open the receipt. It says Sunny Home 4575. No way. I check the date. It says Saturday. What happened Saturday? I close my eyes, I think. Saturday? I was very tired. I remember now. I went out for lunch, and after that I walked around the mall, and then, oh no, I bought a candle and a small notebook for myself. For relaxing, I made the purchase. It was me, not a thief. Not a hacker. Just me, buying a candle and forgetting everything. How could I forget? I feel so silly now. I called the bank. I reported a fraud, but there was no fraud, just a bad memory. Now, what do? I sit on my bed. I look at the receipt again. I can't believe this. It was all me. I made the purchase and I forgot. I feel so embarrassed. What do I do now? I take a deep breath. Then I call the bank again. Hello. I say, I need to talk about a fraud report. The same woman answers the phone. Yes, I see your case here. Is everything okay? I pause. Then I say, actually, I found the receipt. I made the purchase. It was my mistake. She is quiet for a second, then she says ... Oh, that's okay, ma'am. It happens. Would you like to close the case? I say. Yes, please. I'm really sorry. She laughs a little. No problem. This is more common than you think. I feel a little better, but still embarrassed. I wasted her time. I made a false report. Just because I forgot one little thing, I say thank you and hang up. Now I sit in silence. Wow, I almost caused a big problem. Just because I didn't remember one small purchase. I think about what could have happened. What if they canceled my card? What if they sent the police to investigate, all because of a candle and a notebook? This day is very strange. I feel a little sad, but also a little lucky. At least I found the receipt. At least I remembered in time, but still. What a mess. Sometimes we forget things. It happens to everyone. Even when we're sure, we can still be wrong. That's what happened. To me in this story, I thought someone stole from me. But in the end, I just forgot. It was a mistake, a small one. But it felt big. Learning English is the same. Sometimes we think, I can't remember this word. I said it wrong. I made a mistake and we feel bad, but mistakes are normal. They are part of the process. We forget, we remember, we try again. That's how we learn. In the story, I had to check everything again. I had to slow down and think. And then I found the answer. When you study English, do the same. If you forget a word, don't worry. Look again. Practice again. You will remember it later. If you say something wrong, it's okay. Keep trying. Keep learning. Just like I found the receipt, you will find your English confidence too. Don't give up. Be patient with yourself. Mistakes are a part of learning, and they help us grow. So next time you feel confused or lost, remember Elena's story. Sometimes the problem is not outside. It's just something we forgot. But we can always learn and improve, step by step, word by word. You're doing great. Language takeaway. Now, let's look at some useful words, phrases, and grammar tips from Elena's story. These are great for everyday English. Let's learn together. Vocabulary and expressions. A charge. This means money taken from your card when you buy something. Example: there is a charge on my credit card. Steal. This means to take something that is not yours. Example. Did someone steal my card? Ma'am, a polite word for a woman used in customer service. Example. Yes, ma'am, we will help you. The money is gone. This means the money has disappeared. Example: I look at my account. The money is gone. To find out. This means to discover something or learn the truth. Example: I need to find out what happened. Maybe it's a scam. A scam is a trick to steal your money. Example: my friend says, maybe it's a scam. My lip balm. A small stick to help dry lips. Common and daily vocabulary. Example: I check my bag. I see my lip balm. I went out for lunch. Means you ate lunch at a restaurant or outside. Example: I went out for lunch on Saturday. A candle. A small stick of wax with fire used for light or smell. Example: I bought a candle. To relax. It was me, not a thief. Means I did it, not someone else. Example: I made the charge. It was me, not a thief. Actually use this word when you correct something or tell the truth. Example: actually, I made the purchase. What a mess. Say this when something is very confusing or bad. Example: I called the bank for nothing. What a mess. Grammar tips. Should. I versus I should. Should I is a question. You are asking for advice. I should is a statement. You are giving advice to yourself. Examples: should I call the bank? I should check my card more often. What if? Use this to talk about something that might happen. Examples: what if someone is using my card? What if I made a mistake? How will I? Use this to ask how something will be possible. Examples. How will I buy food without my card? How will I fix this problem? Could I? This is a polite way to ask a question. Examples: could I forget something so important? Could I be wrong? What could have happened? Use this when you think about different past possibilities. Examples: what could have happened if I didn't find the receipt? What could have happened if I canceled my card? Practice time. Repeat after me. Say these out loud with me. Ready? There is a charge on my card. Did someone steal from me? The money is gone. What if I'm wrong? Could I forget something? How will I buy food? It was me, not a thief. Actually, it was my mistake. What a mess. Great job today. You've just finished a full English practice with listening, shadowing, and a fun story about real life. Remember phrases like should I, what if, and actually are super useful. Not just in stories, but in daily life too. Use them when you talk about money, when you ask questions, or when you make a mistake and want to explain that. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed Elena's story and learned something new. You can watch this video again and again to practice your shadowing. The more you repeat, the better your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence will become. Repeat after me. Pause the video and go at your own pace. You've got this. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave a comment and tell me, have you ever made a mistake like Elena did? I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to subscribe so we can keep learning together every week. Before we go, remember this. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave. So keep going, keep practicing, and enjoy the journey. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you for joining me in today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming lessons. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson.